اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم الدرس الثانی عشر lesson number 12 inshallah today we will learn lesson number 12 Swad Assalamu alayki wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh Swad peace be upon you and Allah's mercies and his blessings Al-Bintu girl wa alayki assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh peace be upon you and Allah's mercies and his blessings Kaifa haluki ya bintu how are you oh girl Ana bi khairin walhamdulillah I am fine and all praise for Allah Min aina anti from where are you Ana min ar-Riyadh I am from Riyadh Masmuki what is your name Ismi Aminatu my name is Amina Aina abuki where is your father Abi huna fil madinatil munawwarati my father over here in Madina Munawwara wa muwajjihun fil madrasati thanawiyyati he is an instructor in middle school wa aina ummuki where is your mother hiya aidan huna she is also over here hiya tabibatun fi mustashfa al-wilada she is a doctor in maternity hospital ومن هذه الفتاة التي معك and who is this young woman which is with you أهي أختك is she is your sister لا هي بنت أمي no she is my cousin paternal cousin مسمها what is her name اسمها فاطمة her name is Fatima أهي زميلتك is she is your friend لا أنا في المدرسة المتوسطة وهي في المدرسة الثانوية no I am in a middle school and she is in the secondary school Alaki أختun do you have a sister لا مالي أختun I don't have any sister Alaki أخun do you have brother نعم yes لي أخun كبير I have big brother وطالب بالجامعة he is a student in university ومن هذا الطفل الذي معك and who is this child which is with you وابن أخي he is son of my brother مسمه what is her name اسمه سعد his name is Saad أمك في البيت الآن is your mother in the home right now لا ذهبت إلى المستشفى she went to the hospital تمارين exercises اقرأ واكتب read and write down كيف حالك يا أبي كيف حالك يا أمي how are you oh my father and how are you oh my mother so حالك ka used for male and ki used for female أين ابنك يا زينب where is your son oh Zainab ذهب إلى المسجد he went to the masjid أين بنتك يا آمنة where is your daughter oh Amina ذهبت إلى المدرسة went to the school she went to the school لمن هذه الساعة الجميلة for whom this beautiful watch أهي لك يا فاطمة is it for you oh Fatima نعم yes really it is for me أهذا قلمك يا محمد is this your pen oh Muhammad لا هذا قلمك أنت no it is your pen تلك السيارة الجميلة التي خرجت الآن من المدرسة للمدير تلك السيارة الجميلة that is beautiful car which is came out from the school for the principal أنت مهندس يا أخي لا أنا طبيب is you are engineer oh my brother لا أنا طبيب no I am a doctor أنت طبيبة يا أختي is you are doctor oh my sister لا أنا مدرسة no I am a teacher أقرأ كل جملة من الجمل الآتية ثم أقرأها أخرى بعد تغيير المنادى كما هو موضح في المثال أقرأ كل جملة I read every sentence which is following sentence and after that I will see what is changes over there in munada means if you are saying to someone to come so you have to say ya Muhammad ya Amina like this كما هو موضح في المثال it is clear in the example. Misal example, aina qalamuka ya abi, aina qalamuki ya ummi. So ka used for male and ki used for female. Over here you have to think like this: aina qalamun ya Muhammadu, indaki qalamun ya Aminatu, aina baytuka ya ustazi, aina بيتك يا أستاذتي, أهذا الدفتر لك يا علي, أهذا الدفتر لك يا فاطمة, من أين أنت يا أخي, from where are you, oh my brother, من أين أنت يا أختي, أين أبوك يا خالد, أين أبوك يا خديجة, أأنت مريض يا خالي, أأنت مريضة يا خالتي, is you are sick, oh my uncle, is you are sick, oh my auntie. Aina bintuka ya ammi, where is your daughter, oh my uncle. Aina bintuki ya ammati, where is your daughter, oh my auntie. Alaka akhun ya Hamidun, do you have brother, oh Hamid. Alaki akhun ya Suad, do you have brother, oh Suad. Maza indaka ya ki, what do you have, oh my brother. Maza indaki ya ukhti, what do you have, oh my sister. Assalamu alayka ya abi, peace be upon you, oh my father. Assalamu alayki ya ummi, peace be upon you, oh my mother. أنس الفاعل في كل من الجمل الآية. Change the subject to the feminine in every sentence. Misal example, خرج محمد من البيت, Muhammad came out from the home. So kharaja, it is used for male, and kharajat, if we add the ta sakin, so it is used for female. Kharajat Aminatu min al-bayti, Amina came out from the home. ذهب المدرس إلى الفصل, teacher went to the to classroom. ذهبت المدرسة إلى الفصل, female teacher went to the classroom. ذهب أبي إلى المستشفى, my father went to the hospital. ذهبت أمي إلى المستشفى, my mother went to the hospital. جلس الطالب في الفصل, the student sat in the classroom. جلست الطالبة في الفصل, the female student sat in the classroom. خرج أخي من البيت, my brother came out from the house. خرجت أختي من البيت, my sister came out from the home. تأمل معي, observe following. جلست الطالبة, جلست الطالبة. So if we read separately, so we have to read جلست الطالبة. If we join together, so we have to read جلست الطالبة. Okay, so separation, you have to read جلست الطالبة. If you join both, so you have to read جلست الطالبة. And in Quran mentioned وقالت الأعراب, so قالت actually is قالت, but when it is joined with the noun, so it get kasra. Okay, اقرأ الجمل الآتية, read out following sentence. من الفتى الذي خرج من بيتك الآن هو ابن عمي, the young man which is came out from your home right now, he is my cousin. هو ابن عمي, son of my uncle, means he is my cousin. So الذي, it is called اسم موصولة in Arabic, it is used for male. And allati, it is also called ism mausul, it is used for female. So if you see any word which is male, we have to put allati. If you see any sentence which have allati, means female, we have to put allati. Means if female is there, we have to use allati. If male is there, we have to use allati. Manil fatatu allati kharajat min baytika al-ana ya Muhammad, who is young woman which is came out from your home right now, or Muhammad. He bintu khalati, she is my cousin, she is daughter of my uncle, maternal uncle. Limanil miftahu alladhi alal maktabi, for whom the key which is on the table. Walil mudarrisi, it is for the teacher. Liman sa'atu allati, for whom the watch which is on the table. Ala sariri, on the bed. Hiya li zawji ukhti, it is for my sister husband. Hiya li zawji ukhti, my sister husband. So over here miftah is male, so we have used alladhi, and as-saatu is female, so used allati. Akmil al-jumal al-atiya biwazi ism mawsul al-munasib alladhi allati. So over here you have to find out first which is male and which is female. If male, put out الذي, if female, put the allati. Al-kitabul alladhi al-maktabi lil-mudarrisi. The book which is on the table, it is for the teacher. Al-qalamul ladhi fi hakibati maksurun. The pen which is in my bag, broken. As-sayyaratul ladhi, sayyara is female, so we have to use allati. As-sayyaratul lati kharajat min al-mustashfa al-ana lit-tabib al-jadid. The car which is came out from the hospital right now, it is for new doctor. Al-kalbul ladhi, kalb is male, you have to use alladhi. Al-kalbul ladhi fil hadiqati maridun. The dog which is in the garden, it is sick. Al-fata alladhi kharaja min al-masjid alana ibn al-muazzini. The young man which is came out right now, he is the son of the muazzin. تلك البتة التي, البتة is female, you have to use التي. تلك البتة التي, the duck which is تحت الشجرة, under the tree, لبنت الفلاح, for the farmer daughter. البيت الجديد, the new home. الذي, البيت is male, so you have to use الذي. البيت الذي الجديد الذي في ذلك الشارع للوزير. The new home which is in the road, it is for the minister. الدرس الذي, الدرس male, you have to use الذي. الدرس الذي بعد هذا الدرس سهل جدا. The lesson which is in after this lesson, it is very easy. من الفتاة التي جلست أمام المدرسة هي طالبة من ماليزيا. The young woman which is sat in front of the teacher, she is a student from Malaysia, from Malaysia. أتلك الحقيبة التي تحت المكتب لك يا خالد. Is that bag which is under the table for you, O Khalid? La hiya li sadiqi Muhammad. No, it is for my friend Muhammad. Al-kalimatul jadida, new words. Al-ammu means uncle. Akhul ab, the brother of father. Al-ammatu, auntie. Ukhtul ab, sister of father. Al-khalu, khalu means uncle also. Akhul brother of mother. Al-khalatu akhul, al-khalatu ukhtul auntie, sister of mother. Al-fallahu is farmer, and mustashfa al-wilada is maternity hospital. So we have finished alhamdulillah lesson number 12. Inshallah in second video, in next video we will learn inshallah lesson number 13. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.